Have you ever tried to introduce change and have it fall flat on your face? I have, and I learned the hard way that resistance to change is real in musical organizations. And what helped me was learning about how our resistance to change is rooted in four things: routine seeking, not liking surprises, the emotional stress reaction to change, a short term focus, seeing change as a hassle, and cognitive rigidity, the reluctance to rethink. This made me see how I can account for these factors when I advocate for change in the future. And what comes to mind are things like incorporating change into existing routines, making it less stressful, bringing a long term context, and simply expecting the resistance to be there. I wonder, what else would you add? And you can read all about my falling flat on my face experience in the link below. My name is Tiffany Chang, and this is Conductor as CEO, where I'm curious about ideas that help us become better arts leaders. If these ideas resonate with you, please consider subscribing in the link below to receive an email with each new blog post sent every Thursday. Thank you, and have a great day.